In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact list in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, targeted list you can use for emails, workflows, and reporting. First, open HubSpot and sign in. When you land on your dashboard, make sure you're in the CRM area for the correct account. You should see your main navigation bar across the top. This confirms you're in the right place to manage contacts. Next, head to your Lists tool. In the top menu, click Contacts, then select Lists. This is where all your saved segments live and where you'll create new ones for specific campaigns or audiences. Now create a new list. Look to the top right and click Create List. HubSpot will ask you to choose a list type. You have two options. An active list updates automatically as contacts meet or no longer meet your filters. This is ideal for ongoing lead generation or dynamic segments that change over time. A static list is a fixed snapshot. Contacts only get added manually or via a one-time upload and won't update on their own. If you're not sure, active is usually the best choice for marketing and sales workflows because it stays current without extra work. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it at a glance. Names like New Leads, March 2026, or Facebook Ads Leads make it obvious what's inside and when it was created. Consistent naming helps with reporting and avoids confusion later on. Now set your filters, the most important part. Click Add Filter and choose your conditions. You can filter by contact properties such as lead status equals new, by form submissions to capture anyone who filled out a specific form, or by email activity to target engaged contacts. You can add multiple conditions to narrow the audience. For example, combine lead status equals new with source equals Facebook to capture brand new leads from a particular channel. As you build filters, watch the preview count so you know roughly how many contacts will be included. If the number looks off, refine your criteria or check for typos and date ranges. When your filters look right, click Save List. HubSpot will build the list automatically. Depending on the size of your database, this may take a moment, and you'll see the contact count update as it finishes. From here, your list is ready to use in campaigns, workflows, and reports, and you can return anytime to adjust filters if your targeting needs change. That's it, you've created a HubSpot contact list the right way.